Good guys, it's Ron's Rides. I'm at Maserati Alfa Romeo of Daytona Beach, and in front of me is a beautiful 2018 Maserati Granturismo Sport. Now in most videos, I'm sure you've seen the title, I would like to have the vehicle that I'm speaking of in the video. For this is not necessarily the case, and it's not necessarily necessary. Hear me out. Before we get started, I want to say prayers to everyone affected by Hurricane Florence. By this time this video is posted, that will have hit or be hitting South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, that area right now. So prayers to everyone affected by that. We in Florida here in Daytona Beach, luckily aren't getting hit so far. We'll see what happens. But just anybody who's being affected in the States right now, prayers to you and hope everything turns out. So what a beautiful vehicle, right? Maserati Granturismo. 4.7 liter V8 engine, naturally aspirated with 454 horsepower, 384 foot-pounds of torque. The 0 to 62 in 5 seconds, and a max speed of 179. Also a 6-speed automatic transmission. A few things have changed since the 2018 model, which we'll get into, but this is more about the 2019 model. Now you guys are probably going to think that I am trolling you with this video. I promise I'm not. But let's talk about what's new for the 2019 Maserati Granturismo. Now the reason why you guys are going to think that I'm trolling and that I don't need a 2019 model here to show you what's new for 2019 for the Granturismo is because you're looking at it here. A painted carbon fiber hood. This is the only thing that will change for 2019 model. Now you can get it in the sport models, and it doesn't just have to be an MC. Now this is a 2017 60th anniversary MC, so that's why you're seeing the carbon fiber painted hood on this model here. But you'll now see the sports done in a carbon fiber hood as well. But that's it for 2019. That's the only thing that's changed for the Maserati Granturismo. Now you guys are probably thinking, Ron, that's pretty dumb. Why did you just make a video to say that? Well, there's actually a name for the package that you can get with the carbon fiber hood. And significantly, that is called the Trofeo package. Now we all know about the Levante Trofeo that will be here at the end of the year. The V8, the 590 horsepower V8 Levante that will be arriving. Well, there's a Trofeo package for the Granturismo, and it is $13,500. Now that package only includes two things. Those two things are 20-inch machine polished Trofeo design wheels and the carbon fiber hood and body color. It's available on the Sport and MC. So really, it's called the Trofeo package, and it's new for 2019, but there's not too much of a difference between the 18s and 19s as far as the trim and everything else goes. Now in case you guys forgot, Maserati did make an update on the 2018 Granturismos to kind of distinguish them from the 10-year-old design from 2007 to 2017, and they released the 60th anniversary for the 2017 models, which was pretty much the final 2017 with the older body style, the older infotainment, no rear backup camera, stuff like that. So with 2018, they changed a few things in the interior, like the big 8.4-inch touchscreen that comes standard. All right, you also have the center console here with the rotary design now, so you do have that for 2018. They also did the dashboard design and cluster graphics, so you got a couple of different things there. You also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for the 2018, and the rear backup camera and standard Harman Kardon sound system. Now you can see here the Harman Kardon sound system coming standard. If you do get the upgraded sound, it is the Bose entertainment system. So if you get Bose, you do have the upgraded sound, but they did make these changes to the interior, and also a few changes to the exterior. So for the exterior of the 2018 Maserati Granturismo, they changed a few things, like the rear bumper, added the rear backup camera, as you can see there, to where we go to the 17 model, there is no rear backup camera. Okay, a little bit different on the bumper design as well from the 17 to the 18. They also redid the front bumpers as well. So the front bumper has that shark nose looking grille that kind of meets to a point at the front with a big wider mouth grille there. So they did change that for 18. You also got 5 new exterior tri-coat colors for 2018. You got the headlight finish, the sport aluminum, and the MC done in black. You also got the 20-inch machine polish forged wheels as an option. So they did change a few things for 2018, but for 2019, we're not getting much. Now, in all fairness, the Granturismo is pretty much supposed to be done as far as we know. We're working on getting the Alfieri from Maserati. We're waiting on that, and they can take all the R&D they want and take it away from the Granturismo because we want the Alfieri to be successful. That's a big part of Maserati's future, I feel. So whether there's going to be a replacement for the Granturismo, we don't know. We haven't heard word. But a couple of things here and there to update the car, yes. Should it be updated anymore? Probably not, because like I said, it's an older design. They just add a few things, but they really haven't changed much. What do you guys think? Do you think we should concentrate more on the Alfieri and be more excited about that arrival? Or should we want a Granturismo replacement? Or should we keep the Granturismo just how it is? I'm curious to what you guys think. I myself would love to see the Granturismo get a horsepower upgrade. It can easily be done. And with the Trofeo Levante and the GTS Levante being at 550 and 590, we can't have this car being one of the slowest. With the Ghibli being 424 horsepower, or the Ghibli S or SQ4, that's not far off from the 454 that this amazing engine puts out, this naturally aspirated engine. We need something else as far as horsepower goes for the Granturismo. I'd be okay if it sat just like that with those updates. But if we get some kind of horsepower, we get other people excited about the car. We get people talking. And it's one of those things to where everything else is fine. We can deal with it. Maserati is, like I said, it's not all about speed. It's not all about horsepower figures. But I think this car needs it and it deserves it. So what does the Maserati Granturismo need to survive? Maybe a different taillight design, which those have been the same for the past 10 years. Maybe we need that extra horsepower upgrade that I spoke about. Maybe we need a steering wheel redesign. Maybe we need to get rid of the AC controls. There could be a number of things that we could do to keep this car authentic to what Maserati is, but at the same time give it that new flair and feel that a 2018-2019 car should have. That's my question to you guys. What does the Granturismo need in order to be updated and refreshed and be a new but authentic Maserati? So guys, I posed that question to you. Hopefully this video didn't feel like a troll. I did have something to say, but not much, because Maserati itself didn't give me much to say. So now I'm opening the conversation to you guys and see what you have to say. What would you like on the 2019 Granturismo? Even though we already know what's coming, what would you like? What would you have liked to have seen happen as far as an upgrade? Do you think the Granturismo should be updated, or do you think we should leave it as is and just focus on the Alfieri? I'm curious. We'll talk about it in the comments below. After that, definitely like and subscribe to the channel. Show me some support. You've been doing so good at that. I appreciate you guys. Check the social media links down below, and we will get to talking. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be easy. Be blessed. Peace.